I hearken back to my days as a defense attorney because every sentence she spoke was basically a sucker punch to the defense. Check out.
Detective Spataro, did you make inquiry of the defendant as to how many times he may have struck his wife with the hammer?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
And what was his answer to your question?
He hoped it was only 5.
Did you discuss with him why it was that he left the residence after he'd assaulted his wife?
Yes, I did.
What did he tell you?
He said that he realized that he really hurt her, saw the blood everywhere, thought, I'm going to jail. They're going to think I killed her or tried to kill her.
Okay, so this was basically laying the foundation for this interrogation video, which was 2 hours and 20 minutes in total, 2 hours and 5 minutes shown to the jury. And according to Detective Spataro, Mr. Eubanks waived his right to remain silent and to have lawyers present. Lindsay, Brian?
So, Seema, what were some of the most significant statements Eubanks made in the courtroom then when he wasn't there?
Okay, so the statements were in the video, and the only reason we're not playing for our viewers is because the audio was it wasn't great. So, but this is basically what I got. He admits to it. He's very sorry. At times, he's crying on the video. He says it wasn't pre-planned. It kind of just happened, which is great because the law recognizes that statements made closer to an event are stronger and more credible. But what really concerns me is that he says from the time he picked up the hammer, he was foggy and he had experienced breaks from reality. And then finally, this was just so jarring to hear. He said that he said something about it was like suicide by cop, that he was going out, he went to Hillsborough, almost trying to get y'all to kill me. That's basically the substance of what he said from what I could gather. Again, just, you know, that caveat I could not hear incredibly well. Guys?
Yeah, a lot of kind of explosive testimony and kind of jarring, as you were talking about. And as this trial continues now into its 4th day, tomorrow, what can we expect?
Tomorrow will be the biggest day of the trial by far because it will feature the wife, the victim, and then, of course, the daughter who allegedly witnessed this entire incident. And you guys know, with domestic violence, it's not often where you have a witness to the incident and someone that presumably is as credible as a 15-year-old. And then finally, the prosecution has one other witness. I don't think it's a big witness. And then, if Charles Eubanks decides to take the stand, he's probably going to have to do it tomorrow. And of course, Fox 46 will be there every second of the day.